Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you different beautiful decoration arts. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas. We post new videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel. Decorate your home with candles. Candles are making a comeback and we understand why. We think candles are always a good idea. Candles fit into any interior style and can be combined with all other home decorations. Especially with plants. Lit or unlit, it doesn't really matter. A candle can really contribute to how you feel about a room. Just like plants, they give your house a home feeling and contribute to a sense of peace, security and warmth. Ideas to decorate your home with candles. Candles are, of course, ideal as decorative objects. Choose a candle on its own or as an addition to other objects, or several candles of different sizes and colors together to create balance and harmony. It is all possible. A candle on its own or complementary. Candles work very well as decorative objects. They are also perfect to combine with other objects such as plants, paintings, vases, lamps, books, sculptures, and other options. In addition, it is fun to play with different candle holders and include them in the choice of combining them with other deco items or simply with your interior style. Combine all shapes, sizes and colors of candles. Another way to decorate is to choose 2 or more candles. Candles of different sizes, shapes and colors. In the end, you can create a nice balance and harmony. Put them in a bowl, on a nice tray or go for different candle holders, and in this you can also vary between materials such as wood, concrete, glass, marble or ceramic. In this way, the candles will definitely be an eye-catcher in the room. The bubble candle, the twisted candle and the pillar candle are very popular at the moment. You can find them in all colors and sizes. You can also find a lot of tips online on how to color your boring white candle yourself. For example, you can find DIY dipped eye candles. We love it. Perfect for some me time. Candles are a suitable addition to various rituals. The cozy aromas of candles can influence the mood. They often create a good feeling and a more intimate atmosphere. They are an ideal addition for performing various self-care rituals, when reading a book or for a romantic evening. Not only scented candles have this effect, but also candles that give a crackling sound or candles in a beautiful jar that give off a color or figure. Actually, all candles give off a warm glow, which is always nice, right? Make your interior even more welcoming with scented candles. You have decided that you want to decorate your home with scented candles. Understandable. We love scented candles too. But make sure you mix and match scents that go well together. Otherwise, it can be too overpowering and it will not have the right effect. It is also not wise to burn these candles while eating. This can also cause some clashes. Examples of scents that go well together are apple and cinnamon, jasmine and vanilla, and eucalyptus and cedar. Safety comes first. In our opinion, candles really are a top decorative item. However, they are burning objects. It is therefore important never to leave burning candles unattended, and always place them on a heat-resistant surface. Also keep them at a sufficient distance from fabrics such as your curtains. It sounds logical, but still, accidents can happen. We hope that after watching this video you'll get excited about decorating with candles. We wish you lots of fun with it. Wood. Scented candles also have a number of other benefits, such as relieving stress.
Well viewers, that's all we have for today. Which ones did you like? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.